Dr. Nishi Gupta, practicing as a gynecologist in one of the most reputed private hospitals of Jaipur, STMH, Santoba Durgavji Memorial Hospital. Earlier, when I started constructing the house, I had maybe a very vague idea about UPVC. So we had installed all stone choker, and we wanted to install the wooden windows on that. And I'll take you to the basement where now all the wooden windows are dumped. So in a way they were already made, and just before the installation I got motivated by Naveen to replace all the wooden windows by UPVC windows, because he gave me a lot of positives about the UPVC windows, like being soundproof, dustproof and insect proof. So finally, in fact, when I communicated this to Naveen, he said it's going to be a big challenge installing the UPVC windows on the on the stone choker. But then he said, I'm going to give it a try. It's going to be a new experience for me. So by his motivation, we just went along by his word, and I am so happy after installing the UPVC windows. In fact, anybody who comes and sees here gets inspired, and it's all like wonderful. Okay, so this was the original stone choker, and we installed the UPVC windows on the stone choker, put a little bit of wooden beading on the sides to make the gap between the wall and the stone choker. But then this was not looking okay, because there was some, a little bit of, if you can see, there is some irregularity between the stone choker and the UPVC window. So to make up for this, in the other window, so that now this is giving a very elegant look. The UPVC window with the UPVC strip, with the stone choker and with the wooden beading. So now this has come out as very, very good, and in fact it's become extraordinary now. It's been a great pleasure, because even the minutest of the details have been taken care of, and wherever it was seen that even there is a small hole because of the installation problem, it has been replaced. In fact, it never came to my knowledge, and it was already done. Just one window probably because it was being installed in front of me. But then Naveen took care that even that has to be replaced, despite the fact I told him we can just go ahead with that, but he took complete care not to leave a single flaw with the installations.